Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing a compatible vent clip and the right scent concentration. Weaker oils last longer. Open the diffuser and remove the pad, then add 3-5 drops or saturate about 1/2 of the pad so it's not dripping. Once done, press the pad gently into the diffuser housing. Make sure it sits flat to avoid uneven release. You're moving quickly so the pad is ready before mounting. Keeping the fan off prevents accidental splatter and wasted fragrance. Now you mount the clip. Align the prongs with the vent slat curve so it grips without bending fins. Push the clip in until it feels firm. Do not force at an extreme angle because that stresses the slats. Once secure, orient the diffuser opening toward the passenger cabin to maximize scent distribution, toward you if you prefer stronger aroma. You're balancing airflow versus intensity. Lower fan speeds give longer life while higher speeds spread scent faster. So pick your preference. Finish by testing and adjusting. Turn fan to low for 5 minutes to check scent strength, then increase if needed. You'll notice how quickly it disperses. Replace the pad every 2 to 4 weeks depending on use because old pads lose notes and can smell stale. If the scent comes out uneven or spills, reseat the clip and inspect the pad, trim any overhanging material and make sure the pad is flat. If vents rattle, add a thin foam shim. That fixes vibration quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.